Bonjour! Welcome back to my channel, Lingo Learners Talk. In this video, we shall learn some expressions that we can use in the middle of a conversation in order to sound like a native French person. Let's get started. The first expression is Ah, je vois. Ah, je vois. It means, oh, I see. The second expression is dis donc. Dis donc. Ah, dis donc. Dis donc. It means, oh, tell me. Geez. Wow. The third expression is used when you are shocked or when you don't believe something. Then you say, ah, vraiment? Vraiment. That means really. The last expression is my personal favorite, and there's nothing more French than this. Oh la la. Oh la la. It can be used when you are shocked or when you are amazed. J'espère que vous aimez cette vidéo. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like it. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.